The meaning of plants, the monkey puzzle tree. Araucaria or araucana. To some, the monkey puzzle tree symbolises being adventurous, a challenge and taking risks. This tree comes from Chile, where there aren't any types of native monkey, but it is thought that the tree gets its name because of the spikes that cover it would be a puzzle for a climbing monkey. In Chile, this tree is called the Pujen and is sacred to the Pujenche tribe, who place great value on eating the seeds of this tree's cones. In 1795, Royal Naval Surgeon and botanist Archibald Menzies of the ship HMS Discovery went on shore at the invite of the Governor of Chile for a meal. He was fed seeds of this tree at that meal for dessert, and he snuck some back in his pocket onto his ship, where he germinated them and went on to give the Kew Royal Botanic Gardens 5 small trees when he returned from his voyage to Britain. In 1976, the monkey puzzle tree was declared the National Tree of Chile and a national monument, which is now forbidden to be cut down for logging, as they are also declared to be an endangered species on the International Union for Conservation of Nature's Global Red List. In the Fenland area of England, between Peterborough and King's Lynn, monkey puzzle trees used to be planted at the edges of graveyards in the belief that they would keep the devil out. In other parts of England, it used to be believed that the devil actually lived inside these trees, and that talking whilst walking past one would bring bad luck from the devil himself, and you might start to grow a monkey's tail. Thank you for watching this short video about the meaning of the monkey puzzle tree. Click on the playlist on screen for more.